Samvidhana Brahmana, unveiling the ritualistic mysteries and cosmic insights of the Samveda. The Samvidhana Brahmana, an integral part of the Samveda, offers profound insights into the world of rituals, symbolism, and cosmic order. This article delves into the essence of the Samvidhana Brahmana, exploring its composition, ritual significance, symbolic interpretations, and its enduring relevance in connecting individuals to the cosmic rhythms. Brief overview. Embedded within the verses of the Samveda, the Samvidhana Brahmana beckons seekers to explore the intricate relationship between rituals and the universe. This compilation of texts guides individuals not only through the mechanics of rituals but also through the deeper layers of symbolic meaning that connect human actions to the cosmic dance. Composition and structure. The Samvidhana Brahmana is structured into chapters that delve into the various rituals and their significance. The term Samvidhana implies the arrangement or composition of the rituals, underscoring the systematic organization of the Brahmana's teachings. Each chapter elaborates on different rituals, unveiling their deeper implications. Ritualistic significance. At its core, the Samvidhana Brahmana serves as a comprehensive guide to Vedic rituals. It meticulously describes the procedures, enunciations of mantras, and symbolic gestures involved in these rituals. By engaging in these practices, individuals establish a profound connection with the cosmic symphony, attuning their actions to the universal harmony. Symbolism and allegorical interpretations. Beyond the surface level of rituals, the Samvidhana Brahmana provides allegorical interpretations that unlock hidden meanings. Rituals are seen as microcosmic representations of macrocosmic events, and symbolic actions become gateways to deeper spiritual insight. This allegorical approach transforms rituals into powerful tools for self-realization and contemplation. Cosmic insights. Interspersed with rituals and symbolism are philosophical reflections that broaden the understanding of the cosmic order. The Brahmana contemplates the interconnectedness of all existence, the role of rituals in maintaining cosmic harmony, and the path to realizing the unity underlying diversity. Enduring relevance. In the modern context, the teachings of the Samvidhana Brahmana continue to hold profound relevance. Its emphasis on the synergy between rituals, symbolism, and philosophical contemplation offers a holistic approach to spiritual growth. It invites individuals to explore the intricate tapestry of human actions within the grand canvas of the cosmos. Conclusion. The Samvidhana Brahmana stands as a testament to the intricate interplay between rituals, symbolic interpretations, and cosmic insights within the Samveda. By immersing ourselves in its verses, rituals, and contemplative practices, we embark on a transformative journey. The Brahmana invites us to explore the deeper layers of meaning within rituals, bridging the gap between the mundane and the transcendent, and ultimately guiding us towards a harmonious existence that resonates with the cosmic symphony of the universe.